King book me old friend Tanga.
Tanga, awaya Chicago, you know. Eh? Awaya Chicago. Eh? Why? I want to tell you, say, I run go up a shop here, go buy something. Why, me I tell you? Yes, yes. So how you doing a long time? Me no see you over 10 years now. Me no see you. Eh, Tanga? Why you no look good at all, at all, at all. I don't know how you look so. Eh? Look all by your clothes. Your clothes no look good at all. You no man, you no look good at all, man. Eh? You look like things bad with you do, Tanga. Eh? I want to tell you no. I want to tell you. I can tell you that. Eh? Hey, he no pretty pa me. He no pretty pa me, yeah. I tell you, say. I over 10 years now, my wife pass off. And from my wife pass off, me I tell you, say the picking them. As me I talk to you, me want to cry. They don't treat me good at all, at all. Eh? They don't treat me good. I want to know. So, what the boy name again? How much picnic you got? Get about 5 picnic and get the Tanga? Yes, I tell you, I 5 of them me have. I mean, I tell you, say, the one waxy, I 3 picnic got, and he live in Atlanta. I mean, say, I tell you, say, from Miracle dead. I tell you, they don't treat me good at all, at all, at all. Ooh, I tell you, I mean, I tell you, say, Bushy, him live in Florida. 6 picnic got, and Rampus, Bonnie, Eagle, live in Canada. I mean, I'm brown, yeah, I one day out, yeah, and a 9 picnic she got. But I mean, I tell you, I know easy pan her. And me came walk again. Me I tell you, say me came do not much work. Right now, me a trouble for arthritis. Me have pressure. Me a cold. I don't know what me no got. Ah, boy, they don't look after me good at all, at all. They don't look after me good. but, but thank God. I know me and you and Bacchus and Rush and Steady, you used to work a property together, no? Eh? I know the whole we used to work a property together. I mean, I tell you, say, some of the time when you could have eat little something, you talk, oh, yeah, if you go home to the picnic, them and your wife, and if you go look after them, for them get figure a good school and something. Eh? And now they make it in a life and they don't remember your friend, their mother dead gone, they don't remember you. Eh? And look how hard you work a property doing. Eh? Look how hard you work a property. Eh? Boy, you put on some work there. Eh? When I no cane property, a banana property, you're there all bout over the property, them just for your picnic, then could have make it in a life. And now they make it, they don't remember you. Oh, mercy, God, Wolande, Wolande, Wolande. Make me go over yard, go catch your money, they can't come give you for help out situation because I hears now, me no see you. Eh? And you no look good at all. Tanga? Me I tell you, say, bad to bad. For me picking it and treat me well. You know why you think me I show off fire, you know Tanga, but me I tell you, say, for me picking them, they make me have to look bossy. Yes. Hey, 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 me I tell you. When you see me I go on, so you know man, you know what say, the pity they make me feel good. Hey, me is a talk of the town in the community. Yes, man. I tell you, I tell you, me have everything I had. Nevertheless, you take that liquor. See. And then had the new money the government bring out. I know them him why I said come give me the way you know he said he come in the US. But I mean the grandson change you out. You take this year for me your year. I get me the way you want do. And you can always come down a yard, come check me. I don't there so me leave. You can come check me when you're ready. Because me I tell you, sir, I do a bad thing for do. Me nah see too good out of the higher do you know. That are the only thing I trouble me. But away from that, me I tell you, eh? Away from that, me alright. Then take good care of me. Very good care of me. Then take. I can't blame them. Then make me ask one question, the Tanga. The picking they don't know say, when the Bible say, you must honor your mother and your father that your days may be long. You I tell them, you know, it seems like they don't care about the Bible, but the Bible is good. Alright then, come check me down a yard, yeah, me I see if me take time good on, cause me nah see too good at the place, all I get dark and thing.